Hello everyone, my name is Om and in today's podcast, I'll be sharing the top 5 travel destinations for your child's spring break. As kids, we eagerly look up to our parents to take us for a vacation during our spring break. When you're ready for an adventure-filled vacation with your family, but struggling to choose the perfect destination, it's not uncommon to feel overwhelmed by the cost of travel and the challenge of finding a suitable location for everyone. But fear not, I'm here to help you out with some exciting recommendations. In this podcast, I will relieve the top 5 travel destinations that your kids will be thrilled at and the bank won't come after you. UAE. If you have to come to Dubai to have a lavish 7-day holiday, then you have to visit the Hatta city, a mountainous region with hiking, kayaking, and mountain biking adventures. Or you can explore Dubai's history and cultures at the Dera Souks and Dubai Museum if you are a person who has come to Dubai to study its cultures and traditions. But if you're already living in Dubai and want a relaxing weekend, then for you, the Jumeirah beach and its Dhao cruise is more than what you wish. The total cost per head, excluding the flights, will be 300 to 700 dirhams. The estimated flight cost one way is 500 to 1500 dirhams. Georgia. If you want to see the old traditions and the original business or occupation, then you have to immerse yourself in Georgia's wine cultures in Kakheti, where you can taste local wines and explore wineries. Or if you're a person who has come to Georgia to study about its culture and traditions, then you have to visit the charming old town of Tbilisi with its historical landmarks and take a day trip to the ancient city of Metsekta. The total cost per head excluding flights is 1200 to 2500 dirhams. The estimated flight cost one way is 1000 to 2000 dirhams. Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan is like a treasure waiting to be found. In Baku, you can explore super old streets that make you feel real. You'll see cool stuff like the Maidan Tower and the Palace of the Shirvan Shahs. And the food? It is delicious. But if you're up for some crazy fun, then you can head for the Caucasus Mountain. There you can hike through amazing valleys and take breathtaking views. Or if you're brave enough, you can try paragliding for a real adrenaline rush. The total cost per head excluding flights is 880 to 2750 dirhams. Estimated flight cost one way 1500 to 2500. Armenia. Explore Yerevan, Armenia's pink city, known for its colorful buildings and its rich culture. Or if you are a person who has come to Armenia to study about its culture and traditions, then you have to visit the museums to delve into Armenia's history, including the renowned old cathedral in Etchmiadzin. Or you can just wander the lively streets, savor Armenian cuisine, and browse local markets. Sightseeing is something that everyone does wherever they go. So, to get the enjoy of breathtaking views of Mount Ararat, an iconic symbol of Armenia's landscapes for adventure, discover ancient monasteries in the picturesque countryside. The total cost per head excluding the flights is 1570 to 3050 dirhams. Estimated flight cost one way is 1500 to 2580. Sri Lanka. Consider Sri Lanka for your next adventure. This beautiful island nation boasts stunning beaches and a rich history. Unwind on the shores of Benota, where crystal clear water and soft sands provide a relaxing haven. Explore Sri Lanka's ancient past by visiting the archaeological marvels of Anuradhapura. Wander through these historic ruins and temples, some dating back a millennia, and gain a deeper appreciation for Sri Lanka's fascinating culture. Sri Lanka offers a captivating blend of relaxation and cultural discovery for all the travelers. The total cost per head excluding flights is 2,170 and 3,950 dirhams. Estimated flight cost one way is 2,000 to 3,000 dirhams. So, now that I have told you about all of these amazing places and destinations that you all can travel, I hope to see you somewhere. Thank you.